The next thing you want to do is restart your router. Now, some people, I know they don't know where their router is or what it looks like. They just say, I got wireless. And we'll talk about the wireless versus hard connection in a few. But let me, where's my pictures? I have a picture of my wireless router. I took this picture, excuse me, I took this picture and just wanted to show what this looks like. We have this on the upstairs. So your immediate left is the actual modem, and that black wire you see near it comes out of the wall, and that's how you get your TV if you have phone connected and your internet. The tall thing device next to on the right hand side is your actual router. And this is where you plug in certain things. Let me come off. And you use one of these. This is a called the Ethernet cable. And this is one of the things I come prepared with all my things, and we'll show this in a hot second. But restart your router, and basically it's just unplugging both devices or one device. I know Verizon, they have a one piece router slash modem. Just unplug it. Make sure it's unplugged for at least 2 minutes. And that way, when it reconnects, it always reconnect to the strongest signal. And that's the purpose of restarting your router.
So don't undo a paperclip and stick in the reset.
No,
Oh,
you're gonna wipe out everything, passwords you might have set up, and everything else. It'll start from refresh. That's a restore. That's an actual restore. That little paper clip, and most people don't even know where it is, and I don't even think this has one. Oh yes, it does. Reset. It does. So don't do that one. Just unplug it.
I learned something new myself.